Today's world has been revolutionized by smartphones. We can have literally everything in just a 7 inches of screen. By these words, hello, I'm Sukhvinder Singh from Algoma University. I'm here to talk about a research paper taken from the 7th International Conference on Computer Science and Computational Intelligence, which was undertaken in 2022. The topic of this research paper is UI/UX design prototype for mobile community. It was undertaken by Yanfi Polam Depa Nusrantara from University of Jakarta. According to ISO 9241/210, the user interface relates to component of an interactive system that provides information and controls for the user to accomplish specific tasks with interactive systems. UX, which is also called user's experience, is concerned about person's perception and responses resulting from the use and anticipated use of product, system, or services. User interface and user experience are fundamentals that give good experience, and trust me, the satisfaction we get from this is brilliant. In 2019, Financial Accounting Standard Board of Indonesian Accounting Association has ratified interpretation of financial accounting standards. 35 stated that a non-profit organization is an organization that obtains resources from the contribution of members whose contributed do not exceed the benefit to be obtained when this organization develops. Until now, there is neither research nor application, both mobile and website, specifically designed to facilitate the courses in the community, which is a non-profit organization. The development of UI/UX is carried out to ensure the system meets the goal with the desired functional specifications such as interface design, database structure, and so on. The dimension of ease of use can be separated into two factors: ease of learning and ease of use. But in a mandatory system, usefulness factor can be considered as unnecessary factor. As prior explanation, this paper is aimed to study the UI/UX design prototype and its effective usability factors for mobile community-based course of Catholic Church of Mary Mother of Carmel in Jakarta.
My name is Kavya, and I'm going to talk about the related work. Firstly, there is a Marvel application. It is one of the best intuitive design and a prototype tool that supports beautiful design from low to high fidelity on websites and mobile devices. Several researchers have utilized these tools to design their products. There are some of the examples. Like firstly, talk about the Paman designed a prototype mobile application, namely Hydrolit. It is an Android-based e-marketplace that is used to sell the vegetables and the other things. Second is Kernone. It designed a mobile application named as CleanStit. It is also an Android-based application. It is used for plastic waste processing. This we have the task-centered user interface design method. The task user interface design method includes 4 phases: identification, user-centered requirements, design, and evaluation. The other feature we have is the use of questionnaires. The use of questionnaires is one of the best method used by the researchers. In the use of questionnaire, there are 30 question items which consist of 4 variables, namely usefulness, easy to use, easy to learning, and satisfaction. The last method which researcher use is proposal model. It is based on the prior research we have done, but it is divided into 3 dimensions, namely usefulness, easy to use, and satisfaction. Now I'm going to talk about the research methods. The research method in this study contain 4 phases: identification, requirements, design, and evaluation. They are based on the above sequence, like we have talked about in the task and user interface. For the more detail, you can check the picture which is attached in the document. Now I'm going to explain the one by one in more details. Like in the identification phase, it is needed to figure out the users who are going to be use the system and the task involved in the running and applications. For the requirements, we look for the resources we need for our project. Let's understand it using by an example. Like a survey was taken to analyze the user needs to deliver 100 respondents as filled by 50 participants. From the survey result, I have created a table which is attached below. In that there are 62% of the participants are females and 38% are male. After this, in the design phase, the system is designed based on the usability goals aligned with the requirements and the user experience defined by Employment 8 Golden Rules. Design UX and UI use the Marvel application tools, which can be designed quickly and online for both mobile application as well as the web projects. When the design of an application is developed, some features are included. You can check the attached snapshot for more details. In the evaluation phase, this is the last stage. Evaluation of the system that has been made will be carried out. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Hi, my name is Rajbir Singh and my student ID is 2396291100. So my topic is result and discussion in this topic in this research paper. So the questionnaires were distributed to about 100 respondents, in which 33% participants and over 33% of completed it. So the questionnaires was divided into two parts, which is the first part is mostly collective the demographic information, which includes gender and age, which is the table, which is in the showing in the table. Also, the second part is being measured was the usefulness and ease for use and ease of learning, which is satisfaction of this application. So here is a table 4, which is showing the result and remarks according to the percentage, and here refer to the Likert scale, which is in interval with the table 4, which represents the test score, maximum score, and the usefulness and easy for use. How many percentage this is easy to use, and how many percentage which is useful to a user, and how much the 84.70 percentage which is easy for learning, and the satisfaction of the users the percentage is 81.21%. So normally this is tested by the conducting Shapiro and Wilk test as originally limited for sample size 3 to 50, which is showing in the table 6, the table 6 named no normality test results. So here is the okay. So the partial test which result is showing in the table 9. So the p-value and the significance L, which is less than 5% of a significant level on each hypothesis, proved that usefulness, easy of use, and easy of learning significantly affected certification. So the next part is a conclusion, which will be described by my other teammate Sukhvinder. So I am passing it to Sukhvinder Singh for the conclusion. Thank you.
To sum up all the research paper, based on the development process and the result of evaluation analysis carried out in this study, it can be concluded that user interface and user design UI UX design has the right solution for an application, especially in a non-profit organization, because it can maximize the detailing of user needs. The score result of prototype testing showed usefulness 82.88%, ease of use EU 83.91%, ease of learning EL 84.70%, satisfaction SA 81.21%, while all the usability aspect score is 83.11%. By YANOVA, the partial test result usefulness UF, ease of use EU, and ease of learning EL affects satisfaction SA. The finding of this study is a recommendation to the organization and to resume the prototype development into a concrete application which can be later adopted in various community that needs it. Moreover, this prototype can be developed to assist users to ease their learning session by reducing the manual methods. However, for future recommendations, it can be improved in some aspects. It can be improved in some tasks, such as enhancing the interface design, adding some new features like menu, material and menu assignment, doing development of this application in the mobile platform as well as the Android and the iOS. Thank you so much on the behalf of my team, my colleagues. They have put a lot of efforts. I appreciate them. Thank you so much for listening to this research paper. I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood that how UI and UX design can be a great solution, a great thing for non-profit organizations for their applications. Thank you so much. Have a great day.